Hey, how's it going? I'm looking forward.
Hi there. Nice to meet you. I'm excited.
Hey there! I've got a really great feeling about us teaming up.
Hey, what's up? Feel free to ask me about anything that's on your mind.
Hello, it's lovely to meet you. If there's anything you need, please don't hesitate to let me know.
Hey, it's great to meet you. How's your day going?
Hi, glad to meet you. I think we're going to do great work together.
Hey, I'm ready to hit the ground running, so if there's anything you'd like me to focus on first, just let me know. Hey.
Hi there. I just want to share how thrilled I am to work with you, and I can't wait to get started. Hi there. I can help you plan your day, organize tasks, or quickly look things